Hello guys, I hope you enjoyed the Faceless Master course provided by me, and this is an extra video I am recording just to motivate yourself, because I have shared too many niches and too many topics to start a faceless YouTube channel. So don't get confused. Let me share you some more details how you can pick a niche. Just ask yourself, you have learned so many things after watching or having my course, so just ask yourself what you are interested in. Second point is, just start with the niche you feel comfortable with, or you are feeling that this niche is perfect for me. Like you want to start motivational channel, like you want to start coach channel, like you want to start storytelling channel, or whatever. Third point is very important. Don't try to be multitasking. Just start with a single topic, single YouTube channel, and when you feel that you are growing so much and you are having good subscriber base on your YouTube channel, then you can start the second one. Fourth one, best of luck guys. I just want that you can grow as much as you want, as much as you wish in life with this course, and life never gives so many chances. So use this chance and use this time wisely and start your journey right now. Thank you guys.